विज्ञान पब्लिक स्कूल जेवर। Water purification project submitted by class 8-3 students named Palak, Dhrati and Pawani, submitted to Miss Ritu Sharma ma'am. Water purification process by which undesired chemicals, compounds, organic and inorganic materials and biological contaminants are removed from water. That process also includes distillation, the conversion of a liquid into a vapor to condense it back to liquid form. This topic is verses of distinguished of Uttar Pradesh and Meghalaya. First, Uttar Pradesh. Natural purification process in Uttar Pradesh. In most cases, water in river and lake is contaminated by waste, sewage, chemical, hydrocarbon, medicine, hormones, etc. and their decay product Balk 1919-2003, Balk and Zoo 2003, Remler and Skultu Ebert 2003 for drinking purpose. Natural purification effects within filter layer and in the subsurface are caused mainly by filtration, sedimentation, precipitation, oxidation, reduction, sorption, desorption, ion exchange and biodegradation. In plants, for artificial groundwater research, water being inhaled at first pass and the artificial installed layer and of filter sand. This filter layer retains coarser particles by filtration. Chemical reaction between infiltrated water, solid, inorganic and organic substance in the subsurface and the groundwater flowing towards the extraction will may cause percussion of spangling soluble carbonates, hydroxide and sulfides governed by pH value and redox potential within the filter layer and the aquifer. The oxygen content of the water is decisive for adduction process and activities of microorganisms. The forming of ionic and molecular complexes change the solubility of precaution and sorption of substances such as heavy metal and organic compound within the layer of filter sand and the aquifer. A great verified of natural microorganisms exist which are highly involved in rehabilitation process. Balk and reliable 2003. This is the process picture. Water purification process in step by step. Water is going to purify in this step in this picture also. First step is clarification. In the first beaker the water is going to do clarification, and in the second step filtration, the water is going to the another beaker and do their filtration process, and third step water is purified and it is fine to use.
I would like to tell the topic Meghalaya. Natural purification processes used in Meghalaya. Northeastern India's hilly area have always suffered scarcity of drinking water as there is little water retention. Rainwater runoff is rapid and many spring and stream drying up when during dry seasons. Northeastern state with large tribal populations living in scattered rural settlements have been dependent on natural water sources for a long time. Water from natural sources such as spring is usually clear. It also has health benefits as minerals get dissolved in water and moves through underground rocks. Springs containing significant amount of minerals are sometimes known as mineral spring. Women in these areas face significant challenges as they are forced to move downwards from hilly areas in search of fresh water. In Mizoram, Meghalaya, Nagaland, and Tripura, people store and harvest rainwater through traditional means. A method known as rooftop harvesting, in which rainwater is collected in tanks, is used. This water can be used for direct consumption and for recharging underground through simple filtration devices. This stored water is used for drinking, gardening, irrigation, and many other purposes. As rainfall is usually unevenly distributed throughout the year, rainwater collection methods serve as the only supplementary sources of household water. Pictures of the water purification method used in Meghalaya. Water purification process used in Meghalaya. Step 1. Dirty water go to the under the tube. Step 2. Water is collected in this beaker and purifying in it. Step 3. Water is going to do another process. Step 4. Water is going to the beaker. Step 5. Water is again purifying in this beaker and go to do another process. Step 6. Water is purified.
Now we would like to show you our water purification model in the working condition.
It on this bottle, whole water, and after some time you will see what a clear water is coming. So after 10 minutes I will remove this bottle and you will see how clear water is this. I will zoom in the water there. This. Yeah. So our water is purifying well. So bye guys.
And thank you so much. Thank you so much for watching.